Smartphones keep getting faster, shinier, and harder to repair. But what if there's a phone built for you, the planet, and your wallet? Meet the Fairphone 6, the world's most sustainable smartphone of 2025. The Fairphone 6 isn't just another Android device. It's a modular, repairable, and eco-friendly phone that puts longevity first. Unlike Apple and Samsung, Fairphone gives you easy access to replace parts like the battery, camera, or even the display. No specialist tools, no expensive repair bills. The phone packs a 6.6-inch OLED display, 5G connectivity, and runs on Android 15 with a 7-year software update promise, meaning this device will last longer than most flagships. Inside, you get a solid mid-range chip, 8 gigs of RAM, and up to 256 gigs of storage, plenty of power for daily use. The cameras? A 50MP main sensor with OIS and a wide-angle lens that captures crisp, natural shots. Plus, it's paired with the 4800 mAh swappable battery, so when it wears out, just replace it in seconds. No waste. And here's the real kicker. Every Fairphone 6 is built with recycled materials, ethically sourced minerals, and fair labor practices. So every time you buy one, you're actually making a statement that tech can be responsible and future-friendly. So, if you're tired of throwaway phones and you want something that's built to last, the Fairphone 6 might be the smartest choice of 2025. What do you think? Would you switch to a sustainable smartphone or stick with the big brands? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming phone reviews.